So, oh shit, almost lost the glasses. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Don't be afraid, you're gonna buy a new one if it goes wrong.
We continue working on the red e36
with our brake swap and diff swap and what was it? Master cylinder swap. Before we start though, I want to show you a very cool thing. Like Nikita showed this to me actually. These are puzzles for your gym and they are very cheap, but we are going to use them for cars because we don't like laying on concrete. We prefer on something soft. Hopefully we will not destroy them very fast, but without much talking, I'm going to cut the old jaws now to weld them to the new jaws. So we have to modify it a little bit. And that's the only thing we need to modify and we are not able to buy a replacement for it. So let's go. Okay, while I'm still cutting the jaws or the shoes for the handbrake, Nikita did finish the brake reservoir. Which is awesome because now we can bleed the brakes, but we first need to assemble the rear brakes, and that is waiting for me to finish cutting, then welding, then we can put the new calipers on. And we still need to do the diff. Do you want to do it? Yeah. We need to raise the car first. Yeah. I thought we could take this new jack that I have and jack it for the subframe higher. Lock the wheels here so we don't go forward, and put it on this jack stand, just higher. Alright, the battery died, so I don't know what is recorded and what not. We raised the car a little bit higher so it's easier to get the diff out. Now Nikita will take care of the diff while I'm still cutting those shoes. And what I figured is I used hammer to knock off this surface, whatever it is. And right now I can see where it was like welded. I'm cutting these places only and knocking it with hammer to get rid of the extra material I don't need. Yeah, Nikita is taking care of the diff like I said. I will continue on that and we'll see then what happens later. Nikita did take out the diff out of the coupe. Now he will need to put the new one in.
Yeah, I don't know how, but I'll try.
And I'm still well, you cannot see, but I'm still having fun with that, cutting and taking apart the jaws, which is taking forever. I don't know why my angle grinder doesn't want to cut too well, but the other issue is that it's getting so hot that I cannot hold it with my hand, so I need to wait till it cools down. And yeah, we are making progress. Basically, Nikita is making progress. I'm like taking my time. While Nikita is finishing diff assembly, I took new brake shoe, I think, handbrake, and added our old part, traced with black marker because I lost my white one, traced the shape, and I'm going to cut the brand new part, which feels terrible, but it has to be done. Should be good though, hopefully. Tired?
Oh yeah.
Too hot, huh?
Yeah.
No, we don't have AC in the workshop and it's like 30 degrees outside. Humidity is super high. We are dying. I am all wet. My t-shirt is wet, my back is wet. It's terrible, but we're gonna do it. I'm really scared about cutting your new parts.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid, you're gonna buy a new one if it goes wrong.
It's so expensive.
Yeah, this part is actually the cheapest, I think, from the set. Got my DIY welding set up here. I hope it's not gonna burn. Got my welding gloves, which I didn't have last time that I was recording and didn't upload the video how I burned myself. Okay, it's time to weld. Let's do it. Oh, gas. First one is welded. I did a little bit of overkill for the welds. I think a lot less is needed, but better safe than sorry. So this definitely is strong enough to mount it on a car now. And as soon as it cools down, because it's super hot, I'm gonna do a test fit to see if it still fits on the car. We are in the middle of a thunderstorm right now. Listen to that! Holy shit. Did you already cut it? Holy shit, you're fast! I can weld in metal. This is insane! We had to close the door because it was raining inside. That's amazing. That's holy shit. Let's start putting this back together. The storm has passed and we survived. A little bit more welding and we'll be able to put everything back together. We did the swap. It's over. Yeah, that's all we needed to do. But now we need to check everything for leaks, bleed the whole system for brakes and clutch. Super difficult day. A lot of funny things like rain and the workshop, but we made it somehow. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.